This is not your average VPN deal. If you're serious about protecting your privacy, accessing more content, or just cutting out online restrictions, now's your chance. In this video, I'll show you how to claim the best NordVPN discount currently available, but you need to act fast. This deal is exclusive and it won't be online forever. All you need to do is scroll down and click the first link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen, and you'll be taken directly to the hidden NordVPN offer page. From there, your discount is instantly applied, no coupon to enter, no hoops to jump through. Here's what you're getting. Right now, NordVPN is offering plans starting at just $3.39 per month with total savings of up to 70%. That's a serious price cut, and the best part is that it applies to all three of their major plans. Let's take a quick look at what each one includes so you can pick the right option for your needs. The basic plan is perfect if you want fast, secure VPN coverage with strong encryption and reliable speeds. You'll also get threat protection to block malware, intrusive ads, and tracking scripts as you browse. The Plus plan takes things further with Threat Protection Pro, which runs even when the VPN is turned off, keeping your entire device protected. You'll also get NordPass, a secure password manager, and breach alerts to monitor if your email or login credentials are leaked online. And the complete plan gives you the full security bundle, all of the above, plus 1 terabyte of encrypted cloud storage. That means your most important files are always backed up and fully protected wherever you go. NordVPN works on all your devices, phones, laptops, tablets, even routers. You can connect up to 10 devices on one account and manage them all from a single app. Their network spans over 6,000 servers across 110 countries, so whether you want to unblock Netflix libraries, get faster speeds while gaming, or secure public Wi-Fi, NordVPN can handle it. There's also a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if it's not the right fit, you can cancel for a full refund, no questions asked. To get started, just click the link in the description below or scan the QR code on screen if you're watching on a smart TV or desktop monitor. This offer is time-sensitive, and once it expires, the pricing goes back up, so don't miss your chance to claim this exclusive deal. Lock in your discount today and browse with confidence, knowing your data and privacy are protected by one of the best VPNs in the world. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your secure connection with NordVPN.